Alright, welcome once again to this video training. In this training, I'm going to show you a simple training guide on how to make image talk. Now, this video is in benefit of those that want to learn how to make a picture talks. So on this process, I will show you a step-by-step method, which is a two-step method that is allowed for you to get this done, which is I'm going to show you how to make this their website, and I'm still going to show you the process on how to get it done with their apps. So let's jump into the main video training. Let me walk you guys to the process. To make an image to talk, you can write anything and your image will talk. Like you can say anything, like you can write anything and your image to talk. Like the image can talk in so many different country language. It can talk with Nigerian English language. It can talk with American English language and the rest of the country. So what you need to do is I'll take you guys on the process on how to get it done. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do, I'll drop the link to the website and the app that can allow you to do this here. So the first step that you do is you go to your app. After you have successfully installed the app, first thing you need to do, you click on get started. You click on get started. The second step is you come here, you click on create. After you have clicked on create, have you seen? So I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use my real image. So you come to this avatar, you come here, you click there. Once you click, you come to this, any image that you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. But for me, I want to show you a very simple method. So you come to this upload to upload the pictures of yours. If you want to use this one, you can go ahead and use this one. So the process is you come here, you click on this upload, you allow this to load. Once it has to load, it will take you to where they say select photo. You click here, select photo. It will take you to your phone gallery. So here is the photo that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one, reporting your photo. So you allow this to load. After you have allowed this to load, you come here, continue. You come to this continue. You click on continue. Have you seen the image I've successfully added? You click here to choose the image. You click on this done. Then you click on this done. Then you come to this script. Come to upload what you like your image to talk. For me, I have something that I have already written. So let me see if I have copied it. Okay, here is the stuff I have copied it. After you have successfully pasted what you want your image to talk, you click on this done. Please follow me up successfully. After that process, you come to this voice here. Come to this voice where you have to set your country language and the voice. Click on this voice. After you click on this voice, have you seen? You come here to choose the language that you like. As for me, I will not go with this United States English. I'll go with a Nigerian English. So what you need to do, you scroll. Have you seen? English Nigeria. You click there. After you click on this done. After you click on this done, then you come here to play it. So on this process, here again, you click to play it.
Program. You embark on a journey to master the art and science of creating
Have you seen
engaging and functional website.
The voice is a female voice, so I will have to change the voice. You click here. So have you seen Ezenne? I would not like to use Ezenne. I have to use this one. You click there and you click on done. You wait for it to load and you play
Welcome
it.
to our Ultimate Web Design course. In this comprehensive program, you'll embark on a journey to master the art and science of creating engaging and functional websites. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills, this course is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to build professional and responsive websites.
Okay, let's wait for it. You click on this next. Click on the next button. It will take you to subscribe to their website. Have you seen? Free trial for 14 days. Then 4,500/monthly. Okay, what I will have to do, you will come to link your card. Remember, they will not like you. I will still show you the process. This is on how you can make your image to talk. So what you have to do is, remember, we are using the app. What you have to do, you click on this subscribe. You click there. You click on add credit or debit card. You click there. You wait for it to load. I will put my card number. So I'll go ahead to put the expiring date. Okay, then you still go ahead to put your the number at the back of your ATM card. You just follow me up carefully. Click on save, adding card to your Google account. You wait for it to load. Have you seen? So the next step is you click on subscribe. After you have clicked on subscribe, you will wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Thanks. So have you seen your 14 days free trial has started? Continue. You click on generate. Click on generate. You wait for it to load. It takes a while to generate a video. It will notify you when it is done. Have you seen? I will not hide the screen. Just wait for it to done. Have you seen? Here's the video. You point on the video. After you point, you come to this download option. You click on download.
Welcome to our Ultimate Web Design course. In this comprehensive program, you'll embark on a journey to master the art and science of creating engaging and functional websites.
This is the process on
whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills. This course is designed to empower you with the knowledge.
Have you seen? Yes, this is the process on how you can make your image to talk. Okay, so after taking you to the process on how you can make generate or make your image to talk. So remember that you have linked your card. Assuming you haven't linked your card, the app won't allow you to generate the talking image that you generated. So the thing that I am going to show you now is the process on how to navigate the amount that they will charge. Remember, this app gives you 14 days free trial. So after that 14 days, you will be debited the amount that is there. So I'm going to show you the process on how you can remove your card payment details. That is to say, after you have linked your card payment details to generate the talking image video, you still come and delete it. That is just to tell you that you are doing the thing for free, that you are generating the talking video for free. So the next step is you minimize from here. Once you minimize, you come to your Play Store. Once you come to your Play Store, you click here. Once you click here, you come to this payment and subscription. You click there. Please, you click on this subscription. You click there. Have you seen? So the next thing that you need to do, you come after you click there. You click there. You come to this cancel subscription. Come to this decline to answer. You see? You continue. Click on cancel subscription. Have you seen? You have successfully cancelled the subscription. That is to tell you that you create the video for free. Hope you understand. But if you want them to charge you, you can leave your card details there, and after it has exhausted the 14 free trying days, they will debit you the amount that you see there. So after you have unsubscribe or cancel the subscription, what you need to do is you still come back here. You come back here to this payment method. Come to this payment method. I want to remove the payment method. I'll click on this more payment settings. Once you click there, you wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. Wait. I'll click on this remove. Have you seen? See the remove here? Click on this remove here. I want to remove the card that I link. So I'll click on this remove. Then click on the remove. Click here. Remove. Have you seen? No payment method here. So this is just the simple method on how you can navigate the process and generate the video for free. Thank you for staying through. Please, if you don't understand this course, you need to watch it for the first time and watch it, and you go back again to watch it, and then you implement it. Thank you for staying through.